guys, this is V and welcome to Designs by V. Finally, we are cleaning and I'm going to start with my mantle. Guys, I stand 5 feet 7 inches and a half, my doctor says. But see how tall this mantle is and some of the sticky stuff that's on the glass. I am removing it from the summer decor. And I'm leaving to go outside to get one of the scrubbing, I think like a little metal piece. Yeah, that's what I used to scrape the tacky glue off of the hooks. And I'm cleaning it all off, and I'm using the paper that they use in the stores to wrap your fragile items. And I am using glass cleaner. As you see, I have glass on top of my fireplace, and it's done for protection of the wood, that the paint would not be pulled, or to keep wiping it, that it wouldn't yellow. So I just have a problem of laying stuff flat, so I always find a way of putting stuff together. And I'm gonna go ahead and dust the area, and I'm using marble spray to clean the marble. It's black marble with specks of silver in it, and I have it on the top and on the base, the surrounding and the base. So this is how the cleaning is coming along. What I'm gonna do is play music, and you just go ahead and watch me clean. At the end of the video, I will also have like a mini haul for you. So not really a haul, I'm going to just show you some of the pieces and the color that I'm going to use in my family room, and that's the room that we are in. So, and then at one point I'm going to show you how huge this table is. Like, I could lay down on this table, that's how huge it is. And I am also using that paper from the store. I actually used to use newspaper at one point. Just whatever I have, I use for these large surfaces. Obviously, you wouldn't use it on your painted area because you don't want it to bleed in. So this broom right here, I bought it from the Dollar Tree for this very reason. I don't use it for anything else but to dust out my chairs. And I have another one that I use just in the tub with a little bit of dish washing liquid, like Dawn. Put a little bit in there and it cleans your tub really good. So I'm on the other side now. I have 2 sofas and I'm dusting out. So now I am at my console. It is actually a cabinet that has 2 doors and 1 drawer, and it was cherry wood, and I painted it white, and it also has like a beautiful sheen on it, a glossy pearlized sheen. That's what I'm doing because I really love the Tuscan style. I love all the lines that it has, but I'm over the dark furniture, so I am zhuzhing everything. Not everything, some pieces will remain the same. So now I'm using my glass cleaner. It's spray away. I got that from, I think, Marshall's. Guys, when I went outside to get my scraper to clean up the mantle, this is why I had a hat on. Just didn't take it back off. Sometimes I feel like I move this fast, even though, I fast forward this. So I am moving some of the plants outside and get everything swept up. Some of the footage, I lost the footage, but basically everyone's clean and they know what it is. I'm just showing you how I get things together. So now I am going to vacuum the area rug. I know the camera always makes things look much smaller. Like me, it makes me look small, but I'm a chubba wubba. See how big this table is? Guys, let me know if you want to go back walking with me. I start with my weight loss. I'm not on a diet. I am just doing a healthier lifestyle. I'm still eating my same food, but in moderation. Look at these curtains. They're real cute. I have a haul coming up, I think, right after, so you can see this. So that's me. I'm going in the kitchen. I took the runner off the table. That was a curtain, because I wanted it to match the curtains that's up in the window. So I'm moving these things out of the way so I could get to cleaning. I'm moving the glasses into the sideboard buffet slash. So now I am going up there to get the curtains. And I like having the tall ceilings. In the breakfast room has cathedral ceiling, and it allow from the wall-to-wall window, allow a lot of light in this place. That's why the video looks so gray. That is all of the lights. So I am dusting now. Climbing up there and just dusting down the windows. Guys, I'm not scared of height. A lot of stuff in here I'll do it myself, including like 20-foot ceiling ladder, 26-foot ceiling ladder. I will climb. I painted the deck, everything, and I climb. But there's like little hills. Makes me paranoid. I don't even know why. It's like a little bend I'm coming around, and it just feels like in my head I'm just thinking something is gonna happen. But I would climb on top of this house and it wouldn't bother me. But flat surface, I don't know, it's kind of weird. So I am vacuuming after I move the chairs. And now the table. The table matches the china cabinet, but as I told you, I'm getting rid of it. I think I'll put it, maybe get rid of the table. But the china cabinet, I think I will put it downstairs. And this is how everything is looking after it's wiped down. And like I said, sorry for out there being gray, but it's a beautiful day. It's just the house have loads of light. I should have closed the curtains. Right here are some. I have a haul coming up with these lamps right here. They are brand new. See the paper and the tag is still on them. Guys, here are some of the things that I'll be using for the fall season. Come back and let's decorate together and put this place, make it look nice. Please like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification that when I upload videos, you'll be one of the first to be notified. I appreciate you all for watching. Bye-bye.